This is the General Shill Show, where we talk DeFi, GameFi, and play to earn. You know today's DeFi, man. Woo! 6,200 BNB last video, right? When you guys could have got in. I don't know if you got in. Congratulations. If you got in, baby. If you got in, congratulations. You beat the crowd, baby. Now we got 13,400 BNB. I told you so. I'm gonna talk to you about this protocol that we covered last week, baked beans, and I'm also gonna show you guys how to decrease your risk when working with these high risk protocols. Let's get into it.
General Shill, never chill, we making mills. DeFi and game to the moon, yeah we shoot high. Drop the airdrop, make it pop. Yeah we going to the top. General Shill, how you feel? Making mills, make a million, turn it to a billion. To the moon, no ceilings, yeah we shoot high. General Shill, to the moon, yeah we gon' fly. Got no chill, General Shill.
So guys, this was the chart that I showed you guys before. The chart was just moving up and to the right. This is the BNB balance inside this contract. Okay, when you start seeing the balances go down, that's when you know the protocol is getting ready to end. That's the first tip I'm going to show you guys for being involved in these protocols, okay? So today we are at 13,512 BNB. We've more than doubled in just a couple of days. And guess what, guys? If you have friends that are in crypto that don't know about baked beans, that means that this thing has not reached its full potential. I can tell you right now, a lot of people don't know about it. A lot of people in protocols like Drip and just anything and everything. They're actually working with DeFi, but they don't even know about this protocol right now. And the 6-to-1 is working. Obviously, you can only get your full 8% if you compound 6 days a week, and one day you withdraw. Okay. And I'm gonna show you guys how to reduce your risk and how much potential we're gonna earn today. Okay, so we changed up the calculator that we're using. The one that I had wasn't very consistent with just working in general. I mean, I tried it today, and it wasn't working. At least not the link that I had saved. I'm gonna put this down in the description, guys. But it's thecalculatorsite.com. It's the first one that comes up when you Google search daily compounding interest calculator. Okay, you guys can get your own calculator, but I'm gonna put this down in the description. And the most important one is the one that supports our channel, so we can make more of these videos, do more research for you guys, and just give you higher quality content. Is the www.tinyurl.com/genbeans. That's GenBeans. Make sure you use that link. Do not try to Google baked beans. The first top hit, somebody paid for it, and it actually leads you to a fake website. Be very careful with that. Just use our link. It's legit, and it'll get you right to the site, tinyurl.com/genbeans. Okay, and it inserts our affiliate code in there automatically if you use it that way. Like I said, it supports the channel. Okay, so guys, when you go to that compounded interest calculator, like I told you guys, I started off with my 0.1 BNB. I'm putting it in here for 2 months. And for 2 months, that $44 becomes $4,811 if I just compound every day without taking anything out. But that's not what I recommend that you guys do, or not what I'm doing. That's not my game plan either. What I intend on doing is, once my 8% exceeds what I put in, I'm going to do at least one withdrawal at that point. Then from then on, I'm going to continue to compound until I start seeing the balance start to either decrease, or I'm at about 60 days. 60 days is my goal for this protocol. If we can at least get to 60 days, I'm going to be golden. And is $4,000 going to make me golden? Not necessarily. But I did something that I do not recommend you guys do. Do not do this. I did a little bit of FOMO. So these at-risk protocols, I usually put about 1%. But I realized that while I was creating content for it, that I really believed in this process working, which meant that I needed to put more into it. Okay, so what did I put in, guys? I put in another 2 BNB. All right, so let me do my numbers on that. 8% on 2 BNB. Again, don't follow me on this one. My 8% compounded every day is gonna be USD $96,000. 96. And again, I'm gonna do exactly what I mentioned before when I only had $44 in the protocol. I'm going to wait till it's about this point is at about 30, 40 days. At about 40 days, your 8% will exceed what you put in as long as the price of BNB maintains itself. Obviously, that's one little factor in there because BNB price is not stable. But if you've been in BNB, if you're on Binance Smart Chain, if you're watching this channel, you've seen BNB go up to $500 and go down to 300 in the last probably year. So keep that in mind, guys. But I mean, even if it does go down, I get my BNB back, and that will be beautiful because I use that in just about everything that I deal with right now. So, on the 7th of June, guys, my 8% that I will eat on that day will be $7,128. And guess what? I'll probably withdraw that day and keep it, and I'm just gonna keep doing the process. 6 days, 6 days compounding, 1 day eating my beans. Refry my beans, eat my beans. Refry my beans, eat my beans. I'm gonna just follow the process from there because the amount that I'm getting out per week, this is per week, guys. The amount that I'm gonna get out per week from then on will just continue to increase as long as the protocol is still there, right? If there's something in there, that protocol is going to pay out. It doesn't matter what anybody does. The code is immutable. The developer can't withdraw funds from it. It's a really good protocol, guys. Just check it out. It is in my high risk category, but for me, it's one that I'm willing to take a little bit more risk on because I see it working. And if you look, guys, if you look on YouTube right now, you're gonna see 100 videos on baked beans. Guys, this thing, a lot of people are behind it right now. So it can't, to me, in my opinion, and this is not a financial advice, but I see this thing continuing to grow. And again, guys, the URL for our affiliate code is www.tinyurl.com/genbeans. And there's the calculator. Thanks for stopping by. Beans. Time to eat those beans, baby. 7 day. Let's get it. Oh, they so good, baby. They say go 8%. 8%. I'll take it. Mmm.